on personal political statements made in funerals. They insisted, and I obliged, and I then attended the General Oversight Committee meeting on the 12th of April 2024. Now, when I went for that committee meeting, Chair, I had hoped that I was going to produce my give my oral evidence, as I also presented my written evidence. But that was declined by the Oversight Committee. I was asked to send my written evidence, which written evidence I submitted 2 days later on the 14th of April 2024. So once I did that, Chair, there are persons in finance and within executive that had mentioned adversely. I expected that they were going to make responses to the General Oversight. And after that, I had hoped that it was going to be only fair that the committee invited me to give comments to those responses or make rebuttals. But unfortunately, that did not happen. So the committee went ahead, reviewed the written evidence that I had submitted, reviewed without affording me the opportunity to go and explain or give rebuttals on the written evidence that the various officers within executive had submitted, and went ahead to prosecute this matter, Chair and committee, make a determination, and even went ahead and made some 2 recommendations. Okay? And in those 2 recommendations that they made, Chair,